show you how you can get compass and map right here in the Hollow Knight Silksong. So just go here in the lava and you will need to jump, ignore some enemies, and here just jump and copy where I go. Here you will need to climb up. As you can see, just go straight right here, jump right here, and it will take a bit. Here you will need to go this one with the spikes, but ignore that monster. Here you'll be able to set your spawn point. So here's the checkpoint. And here you can climb up right here. Just straight go here. Climb here. Sorry, not here, but you climb up right here and here. Here you'll find the orbs, and then you will need to climb up back again right here and just go straight here. And you can hear singing it. And here you'll see you can interact and buy from the chakra, the map, and the quill. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.